Hello everyone. So today I will show you some shampoo and conditioner you can use for your hair when you have wigs and caring for them become very important for you. So jenhair will show you some shampoo and conditioner that you can use for your hair. First I will show you here CAUDALIE. You can see CAUDALIE, this famous French comestick and shampoo made with grape vinegar and grape seed. So you can smell it. It smells all of grape. And if you want a soft and shiny hair, so this is a best option for you. How about this effect? This will help to shear down your cuticle hair and it's not going run out the color. But I recommend you use this only for straight hair or your color hair. You not want to use this for your curly hair because it have shear down effect. So your curly hair may be a little bit stained. The second one I want to show you is CLORANE. Here I have two CLORANE shampoo box in here. The first one, the CLORANE color enhancing. This brand is belong a famous brand, comestick and shampoo brand. You know, when we first have our company, we try many shampoo we can, but here is one of our famous shampoo because this will bring the necessary moisture to your hair, and you know the effects on the box. This shampoo hold and blind color and prevent this from fading. Color is protected, revived and radiant. So this shampoo will no content high sulfate, though is when you wash your hair will still remain the same color as. But I think the CLORANE had the effect on the color hair, and you can also use this for curly hair, but it's not very effective in the curly tip hair. The next one, I forget about the smell. I believe it's a pomegranate. Very sweet. Very sweet. The smell is very good and very natural. Now we come to the next one, the CLORANE anti-pollution. This product clean your hair very well, but this product will straighten your hair a little bit, so don't use this for curly hair. Remember my words, don't use this for curly hair because maybe your curly hair will be a little bit straightened after you using this. Might smell. Come to the third one. The third one I will show you is NASHI. You know this? NASHI. Well, I have many NASHI products here. I can't take all it in my hand. It's too much. Too many products. Too many NASHI products. Well, NASHI products. This brand come from Italy. This contain no sulfates, so the hair will still remain color after you washing by this. But you know, one week of this NASHI product is the price. The price of NASHI products is a little bit high. About the smell, The smell is very strong. It's in particularly NASHI products is highly appreciated by professional because it have a high effect on human hair. Very smell is very good. The shampoo deeply moisture and restore and clean your hair very well. It also protect your hair from the effect from nature smell. We are using this for our human hair. Some of our human hair products are using NASHI's. You see it's familiar with you. You can recognize this. Yes, it's very popular in those who use WIGS, and this is TRESEMMÉ. I believe that many customers of us are using this. This is a brand from America. The smell is very nature. Apple, because apple scan, I think. The smell is very good. You can call it a luxury moisture shampoo because it provides your hair a huge amount of moisture. You know, WIGS needs WIGS needs an extra moisture and extra pump for its side and its softness. So this will respond all you need. It provides a huge moisture. It cleans your hair very well. It has no sulfate, so your hair will still remain color, and it's not straighten your hair very much, so you can use this for your curly hair. The smell is also very good. You know, when we first had our company, we don't have our own shampoo product. We use this instead. This is used in the first process of our company when we don't have our own products. But now we have our own product. That's our shampoo JERITA. So we don't use this anymore. But this is still very good for your wigs. You can believe me because I already use this for my wigs. And shampoo, the last one and the most suitable one for the wigs, I want to show you. That's JERITA. JERITA products. I have many products in here that you can see here. JERITA shampoo, JERITA hair collagen spray, and we also have JERITA collagen conditioner. You know, JERITA is now our own products. It's from Zera brand, and it's specially used for your wigs. The JERITA product is produced by jenhairvietnam, so this is specially used for wigs because we use this in our own process of productions. We use this to washing our hair in production. We use this in our production process so you can be sure about the quality. How about the smell? It's vanish skin. This product provide a huge amount of moisture and huge amount of color remains. You can wash your hair very well with this product and your hair will still remain the color. This shampoo is a gift for our big customer, but we can still sell this for who buy in a big order. Believe me, this shampoo is wonderful for wigs. We use this in our factory. Our only factory use all of JERITA. So, thank you for joining me today. I see you in the next live stream, maybe 2 weeks later. Thank you so much. See you again. Remember to order. Contact us in the profile in Instagram, website jenhair.com, YouTube channel jenhairvietnam. Thank you. See you again.